my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jelly. Okay, y'all. So I am back with another foundation review. And just FYI, I did do this look and review a palette that I made this eye look with. So I'm going to put it up here somewhere in the cards. Also, I'm going to link it down below. But this video is on a review of a foundation. I am reviewing the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup Foundation. It says it's an oil-free foundation. I got it in 8415 Cocoa Bean. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. Y'all, I just saw I got a bump on my neck. I don't know where I got that from, but oh well. But I'm going to go ahead and try this foundation out today. I already primed my face because that is always the same, y'all, for everything. It is a little Becca Matte Makeup Forever Step 1 Primer. And I range in between the poreless primer that I use. But right now, I have been loving the No More Pore Blend Primer by Touch of Soul. I actually have been loving that primer. It is really, really good, y'all. So I am going to try this foundation out. I'm going to do a wear test today because I got a whole bunch of stuff to do. So, and it is around 10:30. It's 10:20 to be exact. So by the time I finish, it should be like 10:30. But I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And y'all know I use a brush, so that's what we about to do. Now, I am not a fan of this applicator, just FYI, I'm really not, but we gonna try it. I better not use a whole bunch, because I don't know what it's gonna do. And I'm just using a BS Mauve, I think it's, yeah, BS Mauve's Face Angle Brush. Lately, I have not been color correcting as much just because I want my skin to look my foundation to look more like my skin and give me a more natural look. And I don't want to look so cakey. It does have like a chemical smell. It smells like paint. That's something already I don't like. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead, just a little bit. Oh Lord, something in this is making me sneeze, y'all. Now, I will say I do like the finish of it. Y'all, come on here, full coverage. You better come through full coverage. Yeah, this is really, really full coverage, though. If I had to say one thing, I will say that it's set in my pores. That it did do, but I think I can fix that with some powders. But as far as the coverage goes, come on here. And I'm going to put in here somewhere how much it retails for. But I think I got it on clearance or something like that. But I'm going to put up here what it really retails for. And I know you can pick it up at like Walmart or something like that. CVS sometimes carries it. But yeah, y'all, I really like this foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my products on, and I'll be back to tell y'all my final. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I'm gonna give y'all my final thoughts on this foundation, y'all. I really, really do like it. I am trying to come to y'all with some affordable foundations. This one, when I did look online, it ranges in between about $4.50 to $6. Yeah, it's about $4.74 to $6. Just depending on where you go. You can pick it up at Walgreens, Rite Aid, Walmart. It is a little more expensive on eBay. Not sure why, but it is. And you can also go to the Black Radiance website. Like I said, I did use the shade Cocoa Bean in 8415. That was one of the darker ones that I found in the Walmart near where I live. But I like it. It was a little more neutral than what I normally get. And I would say it was, yeah, like more yellowish, but I was still able to make it work. This was a very budget-friendly face. I think the most expensive thing was the Sacha Buttercup that I used, but I always use just setting powder. And I don't really have another one that I like. I have others that I use, but that's the one that I prefer. I am, like I said before, going to do a wear test. So this foundation it is 11 o'clock right now. I have meetings up until around 8 o'clock tonight. Mommy has wrestling practice. I have a lot of stuff to do today. So I'm going to give y'all a full just boop, 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 boop with this foundation. And let y'all know how it holds up on my oily skin. And I just use the regular stuff I use. You know, my Black Opal Setting Powder, Sacha Buttercup. I use Makeup Revolution to highlight with. I use my regular contour and stuff like that. I use Black Radiance to contour and stuff like that. So I use all the regular stuff. So we gonna see how this holds up. See y'all in a couple of hours. Y'all, tell me why I thought I was recording the whole time and I wasn't. Okay, so I have had this on now for 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So I had it on for about 3.5, 4 hours. It is a little oily. I will say my oils is peeking through right in my nose, but that's normal for me. I will say you see my pores real well. I'm about to go blot real quick. I have been running around. I've been in 2 stores just in the last couple of moments. One of which I had to go in twice. It is around 70. It's 70 plus degrees out here right now. So it's holding up actually pretty well. I'm going to go and blot and then I will be right back. Maybe in about 30 minutes to an hour to let y'all know how it's standing up, if I actually have to take it off or not. Because, you know, that's the thing. You know what? I actually might just do that with y'all on camera. So give me 1 second. And I'm going to get in my studio. And we're going to tell y'all what we work with. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I'm about to... Sorry, I'm hungry. I've been running all day. So this is what it looks like under all the lights and stuff. It is really hot in this room, by the way. But I'm about to just blot. There's no powder on here. It's just a dry little powder puff. I get these off Wish for like $1. And it's about time for me to order some more because these thicker ones I can wash. The thinner ones I can not wash. But yeah. It actually does not separate, which is what I thought it was going to do. That's why I came in here, just in case I was gonna have to take it off, but I didn't. Y'all, I didn't. Okay, so I'm about to put some more lipstick on. applicator tickles my lips. Okay, so that's done. And I'm gonna just refresh it with a little bit of spray just to set it again. Oh. Whew. This air actually feels good, period, y'all, because I'm hot. Y'all, it's like 70 degrees out here, and I am so mad that it's like 75 to be exact. But I am mad that it's that hot out here. And I think we're going to take this hat off because it's burning up. I'm burning up with it on, but I'm not sure if y'all heard what I was saying because of that flapping, but it's hot. It's like 70 degrees, 75 degrees, sorry. But yeah. So this is my 4-hour check-in. And it's doing pretty nice. Pretty nice. I don't know, y'all. This $5 foundation. It's like $4.57 or something. Walmart is really kicking with something. Come on, Black Radiance. Y'all, look. And that Wet n Wild glow is like whoop, 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 whoop. But I got some more running around to do, so see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all. So I would say this foundation is holding up pretty well. It's like 3:30 right now, and I'm on my way to another appointment. I will say up close you can see my pores. After about the 4-hour mark, it begins like I need it to blot more and more. But it's not coming off or anything like that, and it looks pretty okay. Especially with me having oily skin, it's no worse than any of the other, foundations that I wear. So yeah, it's doing pretty well. I will see you, ladies and gents, probably one more time before I do my final check-in, but I just wanted to let you know where we were right now. So I'm back for another check-in at my son's wrestling practice right now, but I was eating, so excuse my lipstick. But they are having a basketball, a game or whatever right now, and I'm watching them. I'm watching them play basketball. I ain't been to a game in a long time. But my baby back there. But this foundation is still holding up pretty well, y'all. We're gonna see if we make it through this last meeting we got going on. And my next time checking in with y'all is gonna be right before I get ready to take it out. So, and right now it is about 5:52, basically 6 o'clock. So I will see y'all in about another 2-3 hours time. Okay, y'all, I am back. It is 9:02. So I've had this on for, excuse my lips, because I done ate everything now. But I've had this on for, give or take, like 9 hours, I think. 10 hours, I think, something like that, yeah. So I've had this on for about 10 hours. Y'all, this foundation has really stood the test. Like, it was really good. Like, I could even, like, really set my face just sort of, and I put no powder on my face today, like none whatsoever. I did press it like blot earlier and put some more setting spray on it, but that's it. And I have eaten today, y'all. I have done a whole bunch of stuff. Been to countless meetings. Running around, just all kinds of stuff. And this foundation really did well. I'm pleased. I really am. This Color Perfect Liquid Foundation actually did really, really good. Yeah, I like it. Y'all comment down below if you try it out, what you think. And I'm about to take off all my makeup, you know what I mean? Just because I've had this stuff on all day. But y'all can't tell me y'all don't notice the lashes can make your look. But I will say that I am very, 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 very pleased with this one. This was a good find. A very, very good find. So I will be using this foundation again really, really soon. And I want to thank you all for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. And make sure you share it with a friend. Like, y'all gotta share these golden nuggets with a friend. Invite a friend to the family. But, yeah. Like, share, comment. Let me know where you watching from. If it's your first time, if you're returning, let me know. Also, I'm going to put another video up here that you might like. Wink, wink. Help your girl out. Watch another video while you're here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.